Get excited about the 2017 Ford Explorer. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, a power rear cargo door, and power windows. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, traction control, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.